Good morning. My name is Anne, and this is, what's your name?
Leo.
Leo, and this is
Sunny.
Sunny.
And this is Nana.
And this is Nana. And this is Leo. And today, Leo and Sunny are gonna help Nana open her advents. Leo, which one would you like to open, the box or the package?
The pack.
Okay, can you open the box? What's in the box? Sunny is opening the box for Nana. What's in there? Open it up. Okay, there's the button there. Open it there. What's in there? What is that?
Can you open this?
You open it. Let's show everybody what it is. It's a pussycat. Oh, it's a fox. It's a fox.
That's
Wow.
And that's you.
And what did we get in this one? Yay, we got a chart. Thank you, Leo. Would you like to say goodbye now?
Goodbye. Good night.
Yes, we got to show everybody what we got for the chart. Oh, Nana's been waiting for this chart. Look at that. This is the Mice's Day Out. Nana's been waiting for that one. I love it. Okay, and so now we have to ask the question. Okay. Today is the second part of the Mice's Day Out by Rendell's Designs. This cute mice design will look great alongside the mouse design in last year's advent. Okay, ready for the question? What do you call Santa on a beach? What do we call Santa on a beach? Okay, Papa.
Yes.
Can you come over and do the joke with us, please?
All right.
Okay, Leo, we got to do a joke. Okay, so the joke is, let me put that
Okay, I'm
further
listening.
back. Say hello, Bob.
Hello, Bob.
Hello, Bob.
What do you call Santa on the beach? Santa Claus.
Santa Claus. Santa Claus.
Sandy
Claus! Yay!
Oh,
Yay! Okay, we're gonna say goodbye now because we don't know what we're doing today, but we're gonna have fun, right?
No.
Are we gonna have fun?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, bye everybody!
Bye, everybody.
Bye everybody! Leo and I are out. Say hello, Leo.
Hello.
We are out walking Toby today. Say hello, Toby! Oh, Toby doesn't want to say hello, does he? It's very windy, and we're walking Toby today. Leo is doing a fabulous job holding the leash for Nana. Yes. And there's Megan, Miss Megan, and the sweet Sunny. You know, lovely Abby. Wave, Sunny! Wave! Okay, it's very windy. Good evening. It is now 7:13 and Megan and Sean are putting the kids to bed. Bob is on his phone upstairs and I am down in the basement finishing my day with you. We had a lovely day. As Leo terms it, we had an at-home day. So which is great because, you know, after all that traveling around in the car, last thing I wanted to do today was get back in the car again. So it was nice to just sit and hang out with the kids, watch them playing together, playing with them, and going for walks with them. As you saw, Leo was quite clever at helping me with the dog. At the beginning of the walk, we did like a giant big loop down by the ocean and then back up and around. It's very windy though. And we did, I held the dog and he held the dog at the same time because I wanted to make sure he could handle, because Toby suddenly darts and if you're not ready for that, he pulls you. And I wanted to make sure Leo was okay with that. And we were by areas where cars were coming and I didn't want Toby to run into the street. So, you know, I wanted to make sure Leo was good with it. And then once we got almost 2/3 of the way around the block, and then I let him for the last third do it on his own. It was so cute because he held the dog with one hand and held my hand with the other hand. So it was so lovely. We just walked down the road together. It was really cute. But yeah, it's been a really nice day. I feel a lot better. I haven't coughed as much today, and I'm slowly not blowing my nose as much, which is great. But I'm still tired. I did have a nap this afternoon, got to admit. But yeah, it's been lovely so far. We've just had a lovely day. Bob and Sean spent most of the day working on Sean's car. He needed his brakes done, so they were doing that for a lot of the day. Yeah, so Megan and I just hung out with the kids, and she baked with them, and she made muffins, and she did gingerbread. Anyway, it was just a lovely day. While they were doing that, I did manage to finish sewing this little guy up, and I believe it is Jiminy Cricket. As I said, that's what I think it is. I'm not sure if I put his head on right. I mean, how does he normally... do you think that's right? Anyway, it's kind of cute. I'm gonna struggle with the rest. I haven't done... So this was the 19th. This is what we had to do on the 19th. And I only got that done today. And the 20th, which again was yesterday, is a lot of fiddly little things that I don't know. It's hard to sit and do fiddly things like that with the kids running around. And I don't even know if I looked at today's, to be honest. Or did I? But I think I might struggle with this for the rest of the trip. And I might just put this away and not do any more. Because if it is Pinocchio, which I'm 100% sure it is, and we've got to put it all together with strings, and that's also going to be hard to take home without getting it all tangled up. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to not work on the Toft anymore. I'll watch the videos each day. I'll still do the unboxing, but I'm not going to work on it. The other thing that I did work on a lot in the car, I think I was about there when I started working on it in the car, and I have since finished the sleeve and done the cap top. So one sleeve is now done, and I will be... It's big for me because it's for Bob, but it looks lovely. It's gonna be lovely. Of course, I've totally forgotten how you actually sew garments together, because I've normally, the last bunch of sweaters I've done have been in the round. I haven't done a flat one for ages, so I'm gonna have to look up on YouTube how to mattress stitch or whatever it is we're doing to put them together. So yeah, that'll be interesting. But and I do have my cross stitch, so I think I'll just carry on with that and the cross stitch while I'm here. I did cast on this one, but I've only got like 3 rounds or 3 rows into it. And I think tonight, if we do anything or watch TV, I might do some cross stitch tonight. But yeah, so tomorrow we're going to hang out with Megan and the kids in the morning. Sean's going to work at the office. And then in the afternoon, Bob and I are going to go do some Christmas shopping at Dartmouth Crossing. And we're going to meet Crystal again. So that'll be a lot of fun to see her again. Yeah. So yeah, that's what the plan is for tomorrow. And I'm going to have supper with her. And yeah, and then I have to get a last minute food shopping for Christmas dinner. Because I'm going to be making the Christmas dinner. So I want to make sure I've got all the stuff I need for that. So that's the plan for tomorrow. And then I think after the rest of the week, whatever the kids want to do, because we'll have got everything we needed done. So I'm going to go and edit this and get this up for you and see what everybody wants to do tonight. If we're going to play cards, if we're going to watch a movie. Don't know. But I will see you all tomorrow. Okay, bye.